Hello everyone, let's study about motion. We studied about slow and fast motion. So how we can get to know whether a vehicle is running fast or slow? When there will be comparison between two vehicles which are running on the same direction on same time. Then only we can get to know that whether vehicle 1 is running fast or vehicle uh, second one is running fast. Okay, so now we are going to learn about uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion means the vehicle, some vehicle, whether it is running on a uniform speed, that is covering the equal distance on equal interval of time, or it is not covering the equal distance in equal interval of time, that is non-uniform. So let us see what is uniform motion. An object moving along a straight line path. When an object moving along a straight line path is said to have uniform motion. Suppose an object is running on a straight line path. Okay, the road is straight. Then it is covering equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be that object, that vehicle is in uniform motion, that is showing uniform motion. So in uniform motion, speed remain constant. Speed should be constant in uniform motion. So what is the formula of speed? Speed is equal to distance upon time. What is speed? Distance upon time. So uniform motion means when any vehicle is covering equal distance in equal interval of time. Let's say an object, a vehicle is running 5 km distance in 5 minutes. Okay, then what is its speed? Speed will be 1 km per minute. Again, let's say same vehicle is covering a distance of 10 kilometer, distance of 10 kilometer in 10 minutes. Then what is the speed now? Speed will be again 1 kilometer per minute. That means it is showing uniform motion. That means it is covering equal distance in equal interval of time, that is 1 kilometer per minute always. So such kind of motion is called uniform motion when an object runs in a straight line path, on a straight line path in uniform motion, when it is covering the equal distance in equal interval of time, that is said to be in uniform motion. Now non-uniform motion. What is non-uniform motion? Non means the object that is running on a straight line path is not covering the equal distance in equal interval of time. Okay, so that is said to be non-uniform motion. In non-uniform motion, speed keeps changing. Speed is not constant. It doesn't remain constant, it will change. So when speed is changing of a vehicle, then that vehicle is showing non-uniform motion. So in non-uniform motion, object will cover equal distance in unequal interval of time. Okay, so there is the path is straight line, but the distance that is covered is not in same interval of time always. Okay, so let's say a vehicle is running by a speed of suppose this is 5 kilometer again, in first 5 kilometer in 5 minutes. Then what is its speed? 1 kilometer per minute. Again, next 10 kilometer in 15 minutes. 10 kilometer in 15 minutes. Then it is 1, let's divide it by 5 through 5, 3, 2, then 2 upon 3 kilometer, it is 2 upon 3 kilometer per minute. So it is not showing equal speed, constant speed. Speed is changing. First 5 kilometer it has covered by speed of 1 kilometer per minute, and next 10 kilometer it is covering by the speed of 2 upon 3 kilometer per minute. Okay, so we can see here the speed is not remain constant, speed is changing. So such kind of speed shown by any vehicle which is running on a straight line, that kind of motion is non-uniform motion. So I guess you understood what is the difference between uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion is always speed remain constant, and in non-uniform motion speed keeps changing. It doesn't remain constant. Okay, understood? Now I hope you understood this part of chapter. In next episode we'll study about how we can calculate speed, different questions of speed, and we'll make the graph of uniform and non-uniform motion, that is called speed time graph. Till that, you look at the screen.